Hi guys, this is Ranish Malhan from Compose. Today we are going to discuss how we can process multiple images. Here I am going to use around 10 to 15 images which I am going to process with a single click. Yes, you heard the right thing. I will process 10 to 15 images in the one go with single click. So let's see how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon. So here we can see the file menu. Go to the file menu and here we will have browse in bridge. So go there. So here is the bridge. Now navigate to your folder where you have all the images like I have here. So start selecting the images, like I want to process this one and this one, great, this one, select all of the images you want to process. Right. Great, I have 10 images, 12, 14. I have many images, I think. So now all the images are selected which I have. I have 26 images which I have selected for this example. Now go to the tools. Here you can find the Photoshop and now select the batch. This will batch process these images in the Photoshop with the actions recorded in the Photoshop. Yes, we can record the actions which are very useful, and I will show you more benefits of this in the next chapter, which will you find very good. So let's select the action from here. Firstly, I will select the set. Set is like a folder in which actions are present. So here I will select the gradient map action. You can find that easily in the Photoshop. So now here you can select save and close, because if you don't select that, Photoshop will open and process the image and will not close it. And you can see we have selected 26 images right now. We will have 26 images opened in the Photoshop, which we don't want. We just want to process the images and close it. So for that we have to select the save and close. So now hit OK. So you can see our image is processed. Again, yes. You can see Photoshop is editing automatically everything. You just have to save in the dialog box. Just press save like this. You can use the enter key. You can even change the name and type of the file from this window if you want to do that before saving. Some images are looking fine after this process, but some are looking horrible. But that's not matter. Right now we have to see how this process works, and I will describe in the later chapter how we can create these type of actions in the Photoshop. These are very useful. I use them a lot. I create them a lot. And these commands really minimize my work. But you must think that these actions are not looking well or performing well in every situation. But yes, I can tweak them later in the Photoshop if I want to. But these actions really help me a lot. You can see we have saved 26 images. So let me open the bridge. Here you can find new images. You can easily notice the color correction like this gradient map applied here, previous one is this, now this is looking like this. Same situation with this image, So that's all for today. I hope you liked it, and I will clear actions in the later chapters and will describe the production use of these actions. Trust me, you will find them very useful for you. So once again, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.